Miss Deaf Africa Josephine Kiden has been discharged from the hospital in Nairobi and transferred to home nursing in the Kenyan capital after having positively responded to treatment. Kiden was flown to Nairobi from Juba in August after being hit by a stray bullet in Kanyo area. The winner of last year's Miss Deaf Africa Beauty contest was going home with friends from Kanyo when she was shot on the upper arm, a stray bullet from a police officer allegedly firing at a burglar. Following the incident, President Salva Kiir apologized on behalf of the government and directed for her evacuation to Nairobi, Kenya for further medical attention. However, speaking to iRadio through an interpreter, Kiden urged her fans and the public not to worry about her health and said the doctor confirmed that she is doing much better. "I was in the hospital, but now I'm at home bed resting with the checkup from the doctor after every 2 days. I'm a little bit better," Kiden said through her interpreter Flora Akeno in Nairobi. "I can do a few things, I'm improving, I can walk, I am much better than before, and the doctor comes to clean the wound after every 2 days," said Kiden. She also said she is awaiting her final medical checkup on Tuesday, which will determine her travel date back to Juba. "I will let you know when I'm coming back to Juba. I have to do a thorough checkup on Tuesday, and the doctor will let me know when I come back."